Video tutorial is about getting rid of the new ransomware type infection called Nbzi. Nbzi is a ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. But in advance, I want to tell you that I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles. Unfortunately, some computers are vulnerable because of certain leaks in the current security system of the computer, and so this ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. So this results in further damage of the computer. Users restart their systems and they realize that the files have been given this weird Nbzi extension to the file names, and it is then impossible to use the data. The ransomware called Nbzi encrypts the files and also tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus application. So I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and start the application for the first time. After you start it for the first time, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button, and most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. So after you start the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your device. Now, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but my recommendation is that you consider upgrading to the premium license. Also, pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature works great when it comes to protecting your files from being damaged by ransomware like this one. However, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove the ransomware, it helps to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files, by the way. But in the description to the video, you can find a special link which will give you more information about this type of infection and ways to possibly recover at least some of your files.